Hi, this is Dr. Deepa Shetty. I'm a consultant homeopath and have done my diploma in psychology and health counseling, also in diet and nutrition. My vision is to create healthy world. And in that respect, I give various topics on how to keep yourself healthy and proactively manage your health. So when we speak about health, mind and body, they are running together. So I have been taking topics on mental health because mind is a very important aspect which affects our body in a very great term. So anything that goes on your body first runs in your mind, it runs in your thoughts, and the way we think, the way we keep our body also. So for us to really have a healthy life, healthy mind is a very important aspect. So in that respect, today I would like to take one topic which is about cultivating a positive emotion inside us, that is gratitude. From feeling sorry, pitying ourselves, from feeling angry about how things are not happening according to our wish, how things are out of our control, how people are not behaving the way we want them to behave, how we feel unloved, from feeling resentful about how things in our life are and how we have to deal with them and how we hate to deal all of this, to being grateful for what we have, to being a person who appreciates everything about himself or herself, to appreciating everything about others, from being a resentful person to a very happy person who values everything in his life or her life. I would like you to take this journey from a person who has I would not say a negative perception about the world, but a perception which doesn't help him grow or which doesn't help her to be a happy person, to a person who is somebody who trusts, have faith in the higher power, somebody who feels appreciative about everything in his life and counts his blessings than what is not there in his life. So gratitude is a very important emotion which we all should cultivate in ourselves. We may not have it. I would say we are taught every time when we are a kid also to say thank you for whatever we get in our life. Whenever we receive small token also of gift, we say thank you. But I would want you all to today not only say it but experience the thankfulness inside you, to feel the very joyful blissful person who you actually are. We all are a very loving, blissful and happy being, but when we come across emotions and situations in our life, we tend to become somebody who is sorry, somebody who is very angry, somebody who is sad and depressed. So, when we come across such a situation in life, I would want every one of us to be getting from that emotion to an emotion which is about being grateful for what you have. You are living, you are able to breathe, you are able to be somebody for your family and world. That itself is something which we can be thankful for our existence in this life, for giving us an opportunity to be what we can be for us and to others. So for that it's an emotion which is something which has been taught to us from the beginning, but I would want us to cultivate it as an inner world of ours, a habit, a process, a thought process which is there in every situation. However the situation is, I am thankful for what I am and how I am and how the things in our life, and there are so many blessings in my life. Like in my life, there are so many blessings of having such a happy, grateful family which supports me to be what I am. I'm very happy and grateful for the friends I have who supports me in every respect. Whenever I need them, they're available. I'm very happy for love of my life, which people in my life who love me so much. So there are many things we can be grateful, and for most important, I am very thankful to the God for giving me such a wonderful existence, which makes me a wonderful person and which allows me and inspires me to make others also happy and wonderful. So gratitude is a very important emotion which we should be cultivating. How gratitude helps? First important thing is, when we are grateful, we experience a surge of emotions which makes us feel happy, and that itself makes us a very beautiful person. I mean, you don't need a skincare regimes and all that if you're really internally happy. And when we are happy, we will be thankful for this body also. if this body is not there, how are we going to feel, what we are feeling? How am I going to sit here and talk to you all? How you all are going to sit there and listen to me? So we should be thankful for this body to functioning at its optimum level, and everything we should do to keep it in that respect. So every kind of diet which can keep it in harmony, every kind of thoughts which can make my body the way it is supposed to be and functioning its optimum, so that I can function well. So first important thing you all should do is be thankful for the body which you have, for everything that body gives us to be the person we can be and we can function so well. The first thankfulness or first gratitude should go to your own self, because that's how I can be what I am. And then the gratitude always helps us to cultivate a stronger self-esteem. If I am very thankful for being what I am, I will be always a person who is confident enough to conduct myself in every situation, and that will inspire others also to be the person they want to be. So if I am thankful, I can always have a greater self-esteem. I can always have empathy towards other for what they are, and I may not resent them. I may not get angry on them, because I can understand from where they're coming from, and I can be empathetic towards their situation, and I can be thankful for what they can do to me in whatever way they can. So if I start appreciating them for what they are, they can be giving their best of ability to me, and that can make my and their world better. So in that way, I can cultivate a lot of new relationships, and that will help my social structure also, my social well-being also. I can make good lot of friends. I can have a lot of relationship which can make me feel supported, which can make me feel a part of their world, because I don't exist as an alone in this whole world. We are a part of universe. We need to be tied up, or rather tied up, I would say. We need to be available for each other and make each other happy, and the person we can be. So the gratitude helps me to be a loving person, a giving person, and a person who can productively be a part of others' world, making them also the person they want to be. Gratitude gives you so many aspects in so many areas. Your physical health is improved. Your mental health is improved, because you become a more confident person, you become a happy person, you become a loving person, you become an empathetic person. So also your mental strength increases. Gratitude helps you to be a stronger person in every situation, whether it is a grief or whether it is a situation which makes you bogged down, or whether it is a situation which makes you very irritated. When you are thankful for what you have, you really don't get into those kind of emotion and drain your energy. So it makes me an energetic person also. Gratitude builds my social bonding also. It gets me as a pro-social person, and it makes me a part of the whole society. Doesn't make me alone at all. I can have my space, but at the same time, I can be a part of the world out there and be a person out there who can be a support to them. So in that way, I will never feel neglected, I will never feel unsupported, I will never feel a person who is lonely out there, because there is a whole lot of world who will be at your disposal when you are thankful for what is there in this world. I can be thankful for this air that I breathe. Without that I will not be living. So there is so many things I can be thankful and grateful for. And when we try and see this, our perception of the world can change. We can be a person we want to be. And saying that, I would say, cultivate one habit. Make a gratitude journal. Make a journal which can help you see, even if you are very down, and even if you are feeling like nothing is working for you, even if the day was bad as per your perception, get down at the night when you're relaxing at night and come back from the whole thing. Sit down and write at least one thing you're thankful for. There will be always at least one thing you can be thankful for, and then the list will continue. Make a gratitude journal. That's a very important aspect every one of us should develop, because it doesn't come with one setting, like if I say and you'll be able to do it. It comes with a practice. Practice it every day, and you will see you will be developing an emotion which is so strong and positive that you will never get into any kind of pitfall, and depression is something which will never happen to you, because you are thankful for this life itself. So I would say, saying that, I would again recommend you all, be a person you want to be. Write this journal, be thankful, be a loving being we all are born with. Keep smiling. See you again. Stay tuned.